How do you snore with your eyes open, dude?
He's like looking dead at you, too.
Red, do you want to go for a walk? Want to go for a walk?